Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn some alphabets and also sounds. Slanting line and left slant and between small slipping line. This is called A. Slanting line and left slanting line in between small sleeping line. This is called A. A sound is A. What is the sound of A? A. 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 This is small A. Right curve and one standing line. Right curve and one standing line. This is small letter. Okay, small alphabet A. 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 What is the sound of A? A. 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 Ankle. A. A. Anchor. A. A. Astronaut. A. A. Ant. Children, please repeat along with me. A. A. A sound is A. 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 Ankle. A. A. Anchor. A. A. Astronaut. A. A. Ant. A. A. Ankle. A. A. Anchor. A. A. Astronaut. A. A. Ant. Tell children once again. A. What is the sound of A? A. 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 Ankle. A. A. Anchor. A. A. Astronaut. A. A. Ant. A. A. Apple. A. A. Axe. A. A. Arrow. A. A. Apple. A. A. Axe. A. A. Axe. A. A. Arrow. Next, we are going to learn B. Children, one standing line and one left curve, middle the standing line. Again, you have to write one right curve. Okay, standing line, one curve, again curve. This is B. B sound is B. B sound is B. This is capital B. This is capital B. This is small b. How to write the small b? You have to write one standing line and you can start the middle of the standing line and one curve. Okay. This is called small b. Capital B and small b. Children, B sound is B. B sound is B. 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 Repeat children. B. 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 Balloon. B. B. Bell. B. B. Balloon. B. B. Bell. B. B. Boy. B. B. Bear. B. B. Boy. B. B. Bear. B. B. Boy. B. B. Bear. B. B. Balloon. B. B. Balloon. B. B. Bell. Tell children, please repeat along with me. B. B. Balloon. B. B. Balloon. B. B. Bell. B. B. Bell. B. B. Boy. B. B. Bear. B. B. Bear. B. B. Bear. B. B. Ball. B, ball. B, bat. B, bat. B, bat. B, boat. B, boat. B, boat. Okay children, today you are going to write capital A and small a. You have to write full page. Okay, you have to write one full page, capital A and small a. Again next page you have to write capital B and small b. Capital B and small b. After that take a photo and send it to me. Okay children, watch this video 3-4 times. You have to learn sounds. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.